Hey everybody, happy summer vacation. Today I'm filming this on my 1-week anniversary of summer vacation. It's been amazing so far, and I'm out here in my art studio. I've been making a lot of art in the evenings. You can see a little bit of my baby's art space over there. I might give you guys a tour sometime, but I thought it would be fun to do origami. I love origami at home because you can go on your own pace. It's fun. You can make a million of these things once you learn how to do it, and it's not too messy of supplies, so it's pretty low stress for mom and dad. We'll be making a house today. I hope you guys have fun, and if you like it, you can make a whole village of these babies. For this project, all I'm using origami paper, scissors, glue, and Sharpie. These things are optional. Really, the only thing you need is a square piece of paper. It is fun to have the other colors. You can use that to collage onto. But if you don't have that, you can use a regular piece of copy paper and turn it into a square. So what I'm going to do is hold my finger here at this tip and try to get this to line up evenly. Once you've gotten it pretty good, you're going to take your finger and press all the way down. Now you just need to cut this little extra rectangle off. The first thing that you're going to do is line up the corners. Once you have the corners even, take your thumbs to the middle and make a big crease. And then once the middle is creased, then go out to the sides. Now we're going to open it up, and you're going to take the bottom half and meet it to that line right in the middle. Do the same thing with your thumbs in the middle. If you can even start from the middle and go down and then out, you'll be even more precise. Same thing on here. You want to make sure this doesn't overlap. Okay, now we're going to flip it. We're going to take this whole thing and fold it in half. So line up your corners, then go straight out to the middle and get the sides. Okay, so we're going to open that, and we're going to do the similar action where we take the end and fold it to the middle. Flip to the other side. And fold that one into the middle as well. Okay, now this part is the trickiest. See how this one little flap pops up? Poke your finger in there, and you can put your other finger on this top part. And we're going to take this line down and match it with this line. And then press down. And that is one half of the roof. This is the back. So you can do the same thing on this side. Put your finger in there. Line this top edge up with the side of the house, and then use your fingers to press that down. And now you flip it over, and there's your little house. You can draw on it with Sharpie, with crayons. You can make a little collage on there and add as many details as you want. I've got another piece of origami paper, some white copy paper, and a Sharpie, and I'm going to see how I can decorate my house. I hope you guys had fun making a little house, and I hope you got creative and maybe added some details, whether it's from drawing or collage. And remember, collage is when you cut and glue paper on there. So it's not a pure origami form, because I think pure origami is just the fold, but we had a little fun with it, and I hope you all are having an amazing summer.